Hello and welcome. Today in this lesson in grammar we shall learn words that sound alike. There are many words in English language that are spelled differently. That means their spellings are different and have different meanings but sound absolutely alike. The sound is the same. The words are spelled differently, they have different meanings, but they sound same. They can cause a lot of confusion if we are not careful. So, if we use such words, then it is bound to create confusion because of the sound. These words are also called homophones in English. Some of the examples here are son. Here, son means a son of a father or mother. And sun here is a star which gives us heat and light. Now you can see they sound same. S-O-N sun and S-U-N sun sounds same, but the spellings are different and the meanings are different too. Next example, one. O-N-E, one. One is a number and W-O-N, one. One means to win in competition. So the sound one and one is the same, but the meanings are different and the spellings are different. Now here are few examples for you to understand this topic more clearly. F-O-R, for. F-O-R, for means here to indicate something, and F-O-U-R, for is a number. Here F-E-E-T, feet, it is a part of leg. The lower part of leg is the feet, and here feat, feat is something to achieve. When you win something, that is a feat. Here F-L-U, flu. The flu is a common viral infection like fever and so on. And F-L-E-W, flew is the past tense of fly. The birds fly. Okay. So past tense is flew. So the spellings though are different, the sound is the same. Now here F-L-O-U-R, flour, is the powder made by grinding raw grains, like we call it atta. Okay. And F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, is a seed bearing part of a plant, that is a flower. Okay. We see many flowers in the garden, right? So that is the flower. So the sound is the same, but the meanings and spellings are different. Next example is M-E-A-T, meat. Meat is a animal flesh. M-E-E-T, two people are meeting. M-E-E-T, meet means to meet someone. M-A-D-E, made. Like you say I made a cake, it's a past tense of make. And M-A-I-D, maid, is a female servant. So maid and maid are the words which sound same, but the meanings are different again. Here M-A-I-N, main. Main course you say, or main important. Okay, that is M-A-I-N, main. It's chief or important. And here mane, you can see the hairy part around the lion's face on the chest, that is called mane. M-A-N-E, mane. Now M-A-I-L, male. Mail is a letter which is received by post. And M-A-L-E, male. Male is a man. You say no, male and female. Female is lady and man is male. Next example, peace. Peace is calm. Okay, when there is no war, everything is peaceful, you say peace. And this is a piece of cake again. So P-I-E-C-E is again peace. Next is a pair, like a pair of slippers, a pair of scissors, you say. Okay, so that is P-A-I-R, pair. And P-A-R-E, pair is to cut off the edges, to cut off something. Okay, that is P-A-R-E, pair. Next is pail, P-A-I-L, pail. Pail means a bucket. This is a pail, it's a bucket. And P-A-L-E, pale is light in shade. Like you become pale when you are sick. Okay, so that is called P-A-L-E, pale. Now here we have P-L-A-N-E, plane. That is an airplane. You call it a aeroplane also. And here plain, P-L-A-I-N. It's a large area with flat land is called a plain, like a ground. Next, here we have beet, B-E-E-T, beet. You eat beet, it's a vegetable which grows under the ground. Beetroot, which is red in color. And here beat, B-E-A-T, beat means to strike. This boy is striking, beating the drums here. Next is the blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Now the car is what in color? It's blue in color. Okay, so it's B-L-U-E, blue. And B-L-E-W, blue means past tense of blow. Like you blow a candle on your birthday. Okay, it's a past tense of blow. Here we have B-R-E-A-K, break, means to break something. Here the piggy bank is broken now. It's about to be broken. So B-R-E-A-K, break, means to break something. And B-R-A-K-E, brake. Now brakes are what? Parts of vehicles, like here in the car. You apply a brake. When you are riding a bicycle, you apply a brake to stop it. So that is brake, B-R-A-K-E. Now here B-U-Y, buy. When you go to shop, you buy something in exchange of money. To obtain something in exchange of money is to buy. And B-Y-E, buy. Buy means when you say goodbye, bye-bye, tata, that is B-Y-E, buy. Next, W-H-I-N-E, whine. Whine means what? To complain. To complain means you complain to teacher about your friends. You complain to your mother, your father. Okay, so that is called whine, W-H-I-N-E. And here W-I-N-E is a grape juice drink, is also called wine. Okay, so same sound. Next, O-N-E, one, that we have already seen this example, one, and W-O-N is to win, one. W-H-E-R-E, where. Where is to ask about the place. Where is this place? Okay, located and all that. And W-E-A-R, wear, is to put on clothes. You wear your clothes. That is W-E-A-R, wear. Wait. Wait is to wait for someone. You wait for bus. You wait for someone. You wait for your friend. That is waiting. And W-E-I-G-H-T, weight means the weight of the body or any object. When you wait, it's called weight. Air. Here air is what? A gas which we breathe inside. That is air. And even this air, that is H-E-I-R, H is silent here. heir is a person who has right to inherit something, okay, like property or kingship, that is called heir. So air has two meanings. AIR is air which we breathe, and HEIR is also called air. Okay. Next, HAIR, hair. Now hair, you have hair on your head, on all over your body you have hair. Okay. And HARE, hair is a large rabbit is called hare. WEAK, weak. Weak means when you fall sick, you become weak. You have very little strength left in you. That is weak. And WEEK, week means days of the week. That is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and so on. That is week. Male, MAIL, male, and MALE, male. Male is letter. And MALE, male is a man. RIGHT, right. Right means correct. You say no, it is right. Okay. Answer is right. Now WRITE, right, is to write something. When you write your homework, you write your notes. That is right. Next is sun and sun. These examples we have already seen. Can you tell me SON, sun is what? Yes. SON, sun means a son of a mother or father, and SUN, sun is a sun which rises every day and gives us heat and light. Next is the sea. You go to seashore, right? So sea is what? It's a large water body, lot of water in the sea. Okay. And SEEC means to look with our eyes. See, I can see this. I can see a bird. Okay, SEEC, to look with the eyes. SELL, sell. Sell means what? To give something in exchange of money. Okay, the shopkeeper sells many things to us, no? We buy from him. So that is sell. And CELL, cell means you can see in the picture a battery. In your toys, mostly there are many batteries. Okay. The toys work on the batteries. So that is cell. Now tale, TALE, tale is also a story. Okay, a story is called TALE, tale. And tail, tail, animal have tails. You have tail? No, animals have tail. Okay, it's a part of animal's body. Here, this is also explained. One, to win something, like in a competition, and one is a number. Now waist is a part of the body, the abdomen. And waste, WAST, waste means when you waste food, waste water, waste so many things. That is waste. Next is high. High means tall. Very tall thing is called high. Next is HI, high. Hi is also a greeting. Like you say, hi, how are you? That's a greeting. So I hope it's clear. These words are what? Sounding the same, but they have different meanings and they have different spellings. So I hope you do not get confused when you are using these words. Thank you.